Hey guys, so I'm going to utilize some of this info to help me. Because oh yeah, I may, honestly thinking about it, I may stack stuff so that I can save more room. Like, I could do that in the Kent Automotive box, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that in the Harbor Freight US General 27 by 22 inch top chest. I may need to look through all my tools and see what stuff I may be able to get rid of, or may be able to sell if I have a bunch of duplicates, or I may just keep them. And I may move things out of drawers based on what this is saying, depending on what stuff it is. But then I'm probably going to buy a bunch of other stuff from Harbor Freight and possibly try to get some stuff from my granddad so that I don't have to spend money on certain tools. But I will let you guys know. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post in the community tab. So bye guys, peace, I'm out.